for the cup. Quite simply, you had better be. A cup confrontation to make your mouth water. And either the dream goes on, or you're brought back down to earth with a thud. The action next on EA TV. And welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready with all her tactical observations, Sue Smith. And an important day on the calendar. It is match day 1 in the Conference League. Sue, what are your expectations for today?
Yeah, thanks a lot. Well, both teams will have high hopes of getting to the knockout stages. You just think a quick start, gaining control of the game early, that's going to be key.
There's one to watch in particular. What do you expect to see from him?
Well,
opportunity! Can he put it away? And he couldn't bag the first goal of the contest.
And they should be in the lead now. You can see how disappointed he is with himself.
Putting in quite the shift to win the ball back. Well, the attack looks promising. He might profit here. And not cleared away properly. So a corner kick conceded. Played over. And dealt with smartly. He read it quicker than anyone. Almoez Ali. He's in behind. Well, the sheer audacity to chip it like that.
Well, here we can see it again. What a really composed finish it is. He sees the keeper off his line and it's a lovely chip over the top of him.
And back underway, 1-0 it is. Now look at this, they might be able to cash in here. This could level it. Well, still danger. No time for calm on the ball. Valentino Müller. Well, the defenders know they need to get tighter. Can't really allow runs like that. Options in the middle. Now opening things up. Good use of the ball as they look to extend their lead. Well, clattered away. Valentino Müller. Oh, great vision. The keeper didn't have too much time. Keane. It's a neat move. Oh, to level the match. Well, quite simply not precise enough from that position. Possibilities in the centre. Well, opportunity to extend their advantage. Squandered.
Oh, what a chance that is to extend the lead. You just can't find the back of the net.
Pressure kept high.
Defending.
Now, who can he play it to? And whipped into the box. And the cross didn't beat the first man. Now, can they hit them on the counter? Trying to open up the defence. And a goal to level this contest. All even.
Well, if you look at this again, he shows great vision and awareness to play the ball through. And he watches it all the way, then just tucks it in with confidence.
So the ball is rolling again at 1-1. And out for a throw-in, just misfiring with the pass. But I'm hearing something important has happened in the Palace game. Let's find out what from Alex.
It's a second goal for Crystal Palace. It was a breathtaking finish. A shot from such a long way out. I think it totally surprised the goalkeeper. They're back in this now with 57 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex. And a good take under duress there. Oh, will he pay for that mistake? And what a vital save after a wobbly moment.
Yeah, that lapse could have been costly, but thankfully he was able to recover.
And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Good movement. Can they forge ahead? And that's a decent bit of goal. And the decision they have made is to make a triple substitution. And passing it well. Ali. Well, it could be on for him here. And there is the goal to re-establish their advantage.
Well, here's the replay. Very unselfish play. He could have had a go himself. He doesn't, he plays it off, so it's an easy tap-in. You've got to feel for the keeper, though, 2v1.
So back underway at 2-1. Tight contest here. Gozens. Now Checo. A very effective challenge put in. Good wing play. Oh, might be. Really good block. Well, they wanted the penalty and they've got one. Is it going to be 3-1? And a goal! He was composure personified, and he's done his job from the spot.
Oh, take a look at this. He sent the goalkeeper the wrong way. He's definitely given the eyes there, and it's a simple finish in the end. I love that.
Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Gozens. And room now out on the flank. Crossed accurately towards the far post. Oh, yes! Dispatching it with aplomb! Wonderful goal! Underway again. And they're being treated to plenty of goals. 3-2 at the moment. Able to skip past his man. This could be it! Timing was perfect. Ball one. Oh, lovely ball. Can he score? Well, given the position he found himself in, he really should be testing the keeper. Superb opportunity squandered. Well, he certainly made his mark on the game, and now the manager is making a switch. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 2 extra minutes. Can they fashion something? They need a goal. And holds on to it confidently. And the referee says that will do it for this match day 1 contest, and it doesn't get much better than 3 points for starters.
Yeah, so vital that you get off to a quick start. They'll be happy with the